Kathleen, if you could tell somebody who's brand new to gardening something, what would it be?
Well, first of all, you're so fortunate because you're starting out on a journey that is just, I just love flowers, and I know you're going to as well, and it's just such a great journey. But what I would tell you, my best advice would be, again, to start small, to stick to the methods we talked about, to build upon successes. Don't jump in to a huge amount of work and things that are going to overwhelm you. Choose that core group of flowers that are easy to grow and really get to know them and know the process. If you can become successful at that, the possibilities are endless. The different garden styles that you can do, and just everything builds from that core. And you'll be a huge success and you'll really enjoy it.
I love that. Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Everybody, keep it simple when you're starting. Now, what would you tell someone who has maybe tried sowing seeds before or has tried gardening and has just really felt like that they weren't successful at it, that it's not something that they can do or that they're good at? How would you
I would say don't despair. Try it again. Try it this way. I feel in a way that this part of this industry maybe sets you up for failure. We see these beautiful photos and we get the seed packet, and there really isn't a lot of direction as to how to successfully get from this seed to this beautiful photo that you're seeing. So people really become discouraged, and they don't have the process. They don't know how the correct watering method, the lighting situation. What we have talked about, or what we do talk about in this class, it will enable you to successfully learn how to grow a healthy, strong plant. And again, it all comes back to strong plants equals success. And you can definitely do this. You really can. It's totally possible. So don't despair and try it again, and try it this way, and you will be successful. And don't give up. I've been doing this 30 years and there are still varieties that I just can't. I'll have my lady's mantle, I'll have years that a ton of them pop up. I can germinate, and I had a year this year, I had 2. And I think, what did I do wrong? But it makes it challenging, I'm going to try that again next year. So don't give up.